What's the matter with me? I don't have much to say. Daylight's sneaking through my window, but I'm stuck in this all-night cafe, walking through the sun beneath the moon, out where the trucks are rolling slow. I'm sitting on this bank of sand, watching the river flow. I wish I was back in the city instead of this old bank of sand. You got the sun beating down on your chimney top, man. The one you love is close at hand. If I had wings and I could fly, you know where I would go. But right now I'm sitting on a bank of sand, just watching the river flow. People disagree on just about everything. It makes you stop to wonder why. Yesterday I saw somebody on the street, man, and oh, he couldn't help but cry. But this old river, she's rolling home. It don't matter what gets in the way or which way the wind is blowing. Long as it does, I'm gonna sit here watching the river flow. Yeah, I'm gonna sit right here.